short manifestation lang po.
The gentleman may proceed. You are recognized, sir.
Principal author of this measure, I just want to commend our colleagues and congratulate the sponsor of this bill, Senate President Pro Tempore Jingo Estrada, for prioritizing this measure. Mr. President, our country is highly vulnerable to natural hazards attributed primarily to our country's location. We cannot deny the plight of the Filipino people who live along coastal communities and many others who are prone to such dangers. It is incumbent upon us that we realize and sympathize with their plan and grief when their homes and livelihood get destroyed in the middle of an earthquake, or when they are withered by the crashing winds of a typhoon, or when flames engulf their household, turning their hopes and dreams into ashes. When these disasters strike, the Filipinos, especially the underprivileged, suffered the most. Sa kakaikot ko po sa buong bansa, nakita ko po tuwing may bagyo, baha, lindol, putok ng bulkan, nagagamit po ang mga eskwelahan, mga covered court, mga gym, at naantala po ang pag-aaral ng mga estudyante at wala pong komportable at maayos na evacuation center. Ang iba ay nagkakasakit at yung iba po ay naulanan pa habang dyan yung bagyo. Panahon na po na meron tayong maayos, malinis, komportable at maayos na sanitation at may mga gamot na mga evacuation center. With this bill, Mr. President, we will now have evacuation centers in all cities and municipalities which will cater to the basic needs of the victims of these disasters and provide them temporary shelters that will guarantee their safety and guard their welfare while they recover and rebuild their homes and their lives. Tsakin po natin ang kaligtasan at seguridad ng ating mga evacuees. Iangat natin ang dignidad ng mga kababayan natin na nasa krisis po. Mahirap pong maging mahirap at walang komportableng pagpapahingahan habang hindi pa sila nakakabalik sa kanilang mga pamamahay. Again, Mr. President, I thank of all of our colleagues for supporting this measure. Matagal na po ito, long overdue na po itong bill na ito. Salamat po, Mr. President.